Hey there, MNTV family. It's Mike here, and today I have with me my dad. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Michael.
How's it going?
It's getting cold and I don't like it.
That's true, it is. We are here today because we are getting ready for our trip to Las Vegas, and one of the main things that we got to do is pack and get ready for it. So before us you will see all the stuff that we will be packing today, and my dad's going to go through some of the important tips and tricks and things that we need to have for our weekend in Las Vegas. A few notes: we are going just for the weekend, leaving on a Friday, coming back on the Sunday. So we don't need to pack a lot. And another note is the airline that we are flying with, they charge for everything. So we're trying to pack as light as possible within one personal item each. So Dad, why don't you run us through what you have here for your stuff to pack, and we'll talk about things that you need to remember to bring when you travel.
As Canadians, to go to the US, we have to have our passport. Now, besides that, of course, we have our iPhones, we have hygiene stuff like toothbrush, toothpaste, and we have clothes for the 2 days. For women, we don't have to dress fancy and all those things. 2 shirts, the one I wear over to Las Vegas, and for Friday, then Saturday, Sunday, I change my tops. Basically, that's all that we need for this short travel, and not a whole lot. Of course, we have to have our chargers and all those things because we're going to depend on our phones a lot, even though I'm not going to accept any calls that is not WhatsApp call. But I still have to have my phone charged. The last time I was in Las Vegas at the airport, we got a lot of coupons.
Those words would come to haunt us.
Right, there was buses to take us to the hotels, and everything was on the strip and within walking distance. On this trip, walking distance might be a problem for me because of my surgery, but I have my walking stick, so I can depend on it. Hopefully I don't forget it. So Michael, remind me.
Don't forget your cane. I gotcha.
So anyway, it's not a whole lot.
Awesome. So maybe what you could do is run us through exactly what you have here.
Okay, so I have my hygiene stuff.
Okay, and what's in there?
Well, what I have in there, the basic thing that I need in there is my toothbrush and toothpaste, and then a few toothpicks. That's all that you need, really. I don't need most of the stuff that is in here. I have Listerine, rinse my mouth, and that's just about it. Now I have my clothes. Saturday, Sunday when we are coming back, and I have my pants. Of course, I have another pants that I'll be wearing. I don't need to, change my pants. And of course, my backpack that I have to put there. My passport is also going to go in here, and maybe I'll bring my charger. Basically, that's all. We don't need a whole lot of stuff to travel for 2 days.
Awesome. So you're a pretty seasoned traveler. So maybe tell us, what's one of the things that you always forget when you're traveling?
Some of the things that I forget basically is my hygiene stuff, which is supposed to be the first thing that I'm supposed to put in my bag, just as if I'm going on a trip that I have, let's say for instance from Calgary to Amsterdam, we'll wait over there, then from Amsterdam to Accra. You have to have your hygiene stuff. sometimes I forget and I have to buy it at the airports, and
everything at the airport is
it's
always more expensive. Yeah.
Right. So that's some of the things I forget. But besides that, I'm always diligent. I make a list of what I need, and then I make sure that I go through the list. When I'm packing my stuff, especially for Ghana, I make sure what can I put in my luggages. What do they allow? What did they allow?
As you can see, I forgot my hygiene stuff when I was bringing this stuff to do our video, so just pretend that I have it, okay? Just gonna pretend. It's here. I did bring my contact stuff, so I didn't remember that. How are you getting to and from the airport?
Well, transportation, I'm still working on it, right, to the airport. Coming back, I hope that you are gonna come and drop me home.
That's fair enough. I'll be driving to the airport. We found in our research and our looking around that it was cheaper for me to park at the airport than to get an Uber or a taxi there and back. So I'll be parking at the local Park and Go. It'll be about $10 to $12 a day, and considering a taxi ride or an Uber ride is going to be about $40 there and back, it was cheaper to park.
Well, I have to have my socks. I've forgotten about socks.
Yeah, I
just
remember
as I
my
saw
socks. See,
yours.
I got my socks. Got them there, so if you're gonna throw it.
Okay, what else?
So
what
I
else?
have my clothing here: pants, shirts, underwear, socks. This is the bag that it's going to be going in. Of course, I've got extra charging stuff because I have extra things to charge. My filming equipment and such like that. So that's gonna be in play. Brought some battery packs so when we're out on the strip, we don't run out of battery. So that's mainly the thing. Oh, and of course, I've got my laptop so that I can do a bit of work while we're out there.
Oh, you see, I also forgot my underwear besides my socks. So I have to, just as I get up here, I have to go and do that.
Why aren't you bravoing him? So what are you looking forward to most when we go to Las Vegas?
Well, basically the last time we went, at the airport, they gave us a lot of coupons for food and all these things. I mean, it's not free, but there's a, percent discount, right? And, for me, I love my lobster seafood, and we had that. I don't like steak that much. Beef, I like seafood. So mostly we went to the seafood areas and, we had our fill. Walked through Caesar Palace, where the boxing usually takes place in Las Vegas. Those of you who know boxing, Muhammad Ali fought there so many times, and what's his name? That guy. Forgotten his name. Mike Tyson. Thank you. Right, also for that.
Thanks, son.
You're welcome.
And Mike Tyson also for that. So we just walk around and see where the rich people buy their stuff and all those things. Things are very, very expensive there. We went there long time ago. So now I don't know what the setup is, but when we were there the last time, this is what we had. All the hotels have buses to their hotels. And you have to make sure that you take the right bus. And most of the hotels are on the strip, right? So if you get up at the wrong place, you just have to walk.
Yep.
Ask questions and walk.
So we'll be staying at the Strat Hotel, which is the big tower. It's got some rides and stuff and an observation deck, kind of like the Calgary Tower, except for, from what I understand, it's got some outdoor component to it, so you don't have to stay inside all the time like you do at the Calgary Tower. They've got a restaurant and observation deck and all that kind of stuff. Of course, on the strip, they've got lots of fun things to do, and every hotel has its casino. So we'll have to plug in one quarter just to say we did it. Because if you lose all your money, then Auntie Charlotte's gonna be real mad at you, right?
There are some things that you don't do
Hey,
if you are smart.
what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, right?
But there are still some things that you don't do. You see, things that you hide will always come back.
Oh, that's the reason. That's the reason they call it Sin City, isn't it?
Yeah, well, I was in one of them in South Africa. And yeah, they call it Sin City as well. It was huge, just as Las Vegas. They have everything in there. Golf courses, you know. Man, I wish I can go back to South Africa again.
One last thing we're gonna do, because I have a lot of stuff and you have a little bit of stuff. So we're gonna see who can pack up their stuff the quickest and most efficiently.
Oh, you know, I'm going to beat you anyway, so why are you going to even go through that?
Oh, Dad, it's on. It's on.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
We're going to put a timer on the screen. We're going to see who does it fastest.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Who's going to go? Do you know what? You are the MNTV visitor, so we're going to let you go first.
Yeah. Okay, so...
All right, MNTV family, round one. The MNTV Dad. Wait, I haven't said go yet. Cheater.
Hey!
Cheater.
His bag, calm down. Your bag is already set off aside. Let him move his bag.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
On your marks, get set, go. That is the most cheatingest thing I've ever seen in my life. That was the most cheatingest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Like you said, I travel a
I've
lot.
never seen somebody cheat like that. Just take the whole thing and fold it and put in.
Done.
Boo! That was...
Alright, do you think you can beat 30 seconds, Dad?
Oh, cheater.
You think you can beat 30 seconds?
You've
Okay, let's
lost.
do
You've
this.
lost. That is it. Don't even bother. You've lost.
Bother. All right. Okay.
You might as well don't do it because you've lost.
Well, no. Okay, I at least have to be able to open my bag since yours was all opened already.
Are you ready?
Ah, I'm ready.
2, 1, go.
This bag sucks.
Be gentle with your things. Dad.
It's always disorganized. That's what I know. Hey, you left something.
You missed 2 things.
You stole it.
No, I did not. Almost 43 seconds.
Yeah, but you stole things. You people cheated.
You
Cheaters.
People, you people.
You
What's that
people.
supposed to mean?
You
Michael,
people.
you have lost. You have lost.
You people. All right, MNTV family, you can see here, we're packed, we're ready to go. If you like what you see today, remember to like and subscribe, stay tuned because you're gonna get lots of views from Las Vegas. You're gonna see us as we fly, we're gonna see us as we go on the strip, and we're gonna have a great time and we're gonna bring it all to you here on MNTV. Until our next episode, remember, keep exploring. Hey there, MNTV fam. It's Mike here, your MNTV dad. And with me today is my dad. Hi, Dad.
MNTV dad?
MNTV dad. Oh, do I have to start this again now?
Yeah. Because it's not called MNTV dad. Is that what it is?
I'm the MNTV dad. Because it's the
okay.
MNTV. I said MNTV family. So if it's the family, then I'm the dad, right?
Okay, all right, whatever. Okay, start.
So I've got. Can you?
He's just trying to have fun with us. People will say, oh, wow, look at these people and they're having fun with their grandson and their son.
Yeah, except for they can't see our grandson, so they just think there's somebody behind there goofing around. They don't know who it is.
It's Isaac. You got it?
Yeah, it's the MNTV son, Isaac. Oh, now he wants to be in here.
Yeah. You have a problem with that?
Every other time I'm like, hey, he's like, no. Backstage guy.
Papa Cudjoe.
All right, come back over here, Dad.
Neither is this, Dad. Oh,
Cheaters.
yeah, you're the one who didn't close your bag.
Cheaters.
Oh, this part. Huh?
Cheaters.
I should have left that going.
Cheaters.